guys, i-harvest na naman natin itong isang pinya. Another pineapple, ripe pineapple. Okay, oh my god. Smells so good. Shh. You can see it's very ripe, but it's still hard. Oh, something happened in this one. We started eating it. So we have to, because it's been ripe like 1 week. I haven't, 1 week already, and I haven't get it yet. Just now. Story, Lucky! Ini. Go back over here. Go back. Come on. Lucky! Nga namang duha mo, baby. Ay, mamugulo, baby. Oh, gosh. Lucky! Oh, my, something wrong in here. It's too ripe now. It's in the ground. Okay, guys. Look at that. Mommy had a pineapple now. Look at that. Come on. Let's open the pineapple. Come on. Okay, guys.